143. 143. It's more impressive to me because the man go through collegiate system, brother.
Yeah, that's
bro.
a long season.
Bro, I'm still a PR, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy.
At this time of the season, at this time I see them I regress, bro.
Supposed to regress.
Supposed to like
regress,
yeah,
bro.
So Fim run that national record at that too.
Yeah, bro.
That's very
143
impressive.
first man in Jamaica history, bro.
Yeah, plus get the world championship.
Yeah.
Kudos, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well done, man. Well job.
Yeah.
Well done.
And it was a fair and square race.
Yeah.
And beat the previous national record.
Yeah. That's fun. That's fun. That's me. I say, yo, we have the athlete them, bro.
Yeah.
I say, yo, man, we stick to the event I run them.
Yeah, bro.
But
For real.
I'm happy for you, bro. I really don't know him, like for real. I really never hear about him or nothing. So I'm seeing him, I say, oh, who this?
Yeah. Big up yourself, Tyrice Taylor, man.
Yeah,
big
man.
One thing.
Big
143, big run, big PR, brother.